Hi everybody! Maybe you know the old but very interesting series of videos about making DIY spectroscopes or spectrometers. So recently I became interested in this topic and thought, why don't we make one for ourselves? It's very easy, fun and educating. So on the tools side we will need our paper cutter, one Sharpie, some tape and a multifunctional ruler. Here we have centered circles, a 90 degrees angle and something that will work as a protractor. And so we will need all of that. Aside from the tools, we also need some parts to work with. A carton tube, one small piece of black carton, one CD, writable or rewritable, and a simple piece of paper. Well, let's start. First, we should mark a 60-degree angle. Using the line we're going to draw, we will make a nice cut on the tube in which we will place the disc later on. Having the straight lines at the angle we need, draw a curve using the disc itself. Let's do that again to make the cutting process easier. Now the outlines go on the tube. Our disc will be at this angle. Now stay with me, let us draw something like a sight using the centralized circles. It'll help us determine where the cut should stop, also it will help us to position the light receiving opening. Having all the marks, let's now cut. Here's what we get. On to the next step. Draw the outline of our tube on the piece of black carton. Now we need to cut it, and we'll use two of these. In one of them we will make a cut, about a millimeter high. Our caps are done, now we need to fix them on our tube. Whew, we're almost done. Now we need to make a hole to see the results of our spectrometer's work. And finally, we will add a disc to the equation, with the reflecting side up front. Well, today we will test three types of light bulbs. One LED-based, one gas-based, and a simple incandescent light bulb. We will see that their patterns will greatly differ. Hence, to see that, we are going to use our spectroscope. Let us begin. First is the LED bulb. Next up is the luminescent bulb, and we see a clear difference in the fullness of the patterns. Next is the incandescent light bulb. And as a bonus, we tested our computer screen too. Well, we've seen our optical spectrometer in action. Thank you everybody for watching, experiment, learn new and interesting things, and I hope you'll like this more of an educational video. Thank you once again, and see you in the next one!